know I'm a chicken fried. Cold beer on a Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio. When I was raised underneath the shade of a Georgia pine, and at home we know sweet tea, pecan pie, and homemade wine, where the peaches grow. My house is not much to talk about, but it's filled with love and romance, southern ground, and a little bit of chicken fried. Cold beer on a Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio, the sunrise. See the love in my woman's eyes, feel the touch of a precious child, and your mother's love. It's funny how it's the little things in life that mean the most. Not where you live, or what you drive, or the price tag on your clothes. There's no dollar sign or a peace of mind, this I come to know. So if you agree, have a drink with me, raise your glasses for a toast to a little bit of chicken fried. Cold beer on a Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio, I see sunrise. See the love in a woman's eyes, feel the touch of a precious child, and no mother's love. I thank God for my life, for the stars and stripes, made freedom forever fly. Let it ring, salute the ones who died, the ones who gave their lives, so we don't have to sacrifice all the things we love, like our chicken fried. And cold beer on a Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio, I see sunrise. See the love in my woman's eyes, feel the touch of a precious child, and your mother's love. Chicken fried, cold beer on a Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio, I see sunrise. See the love in my woman's eyes, feel the touch of a precious child, and no mother's love.